Hi everyone, I'm recording this video to quickly go over through the design work for the group and the workspace level policy management. And thank you all for the previous iterations feedback. And this is updated version on the feedback. And if you go to Figma, I will link later that you have MVC and post MVC. So this issue is about the MVC. Please focus on this area. So let's go to the details. And this is the group level. You can see on the navigation, we add a policy under security and compliance. And here is the general list we have. So we added a new column called a source, and that will indicate where this policy came from is created on this group. We'll say this group, and we'll tell them how many projects are applying this policy is similar for workspace and inherited, although from other areas, and we'll also tell you how many projects are there. And we have a filter on the source, and what is in the dropdown in the bigger text, this group inherited from XYZ. For the button here, there's a difference because this is a group level. If it's inherited from work space, that's means it's read only. So on the group level, that there is no edit right for them. So we just indicate this is a disabled button. It's not very super clear on the video, but that's our current guideline. So let's use it. When user hover on the disabled button, that will show the pop over, and it will say read only, and will tell user why it's read only. If user click on the workspace name, it will open a new tab for the user to direct them to the workspace. And this is when user open the door, and the difference is here you have edit button for like this group, and for workspace is disabled button, and for the source is under the description, user will see a source. Also, this sentence is slightly longer, is a completed sentence instead of on the list, it's just a wording. And here we just explain a little bit more. And also what we need to add is when user create a new policy on the group level, we show little information alert here to make sure user know that when they enable this, they will apply automatically to all the projects. So that like they won't misunderstand like what's happening after they enable a group level policy. And here I want to show a quick shortcut to list out all the project in case user want to quickly look at the project. They don't need to navigate back and forth between on the main navigation themselves. So if they click on it, it will show a modal window and just list out all the project names, and there is a school bar if it's very long. So when you click on the project name, you also open a new tab for them. They can check the projects. So that's the group level. And for the instance level, it's slightly easier. The list, everything is the same. And I don't know what's the current instance level navigation is now. It's probably still under development, not determined. So what we will do is we will have a security and compliance as the main navigation there and the policy under it. So what's in between there, like maybe like there's a dashboard there, so I'm not sure yet. So we just do like when the workspace level, the instance level, workspace level is ready. So for here, we only show the workspace level policy, and the same will tell you how many projects are affected. So we should have the filter there. This disappeared. Let's edit it back. It's the same filter. And on the project level, so here we used to have last modified. So I changed it a little bit. I changed it to source, and I add last modified like below this project. So for project level, they can only edit the project level policy, and we can show a last modified date. And for others, we just show is inherited from where. I added information of how many projects are related, because I think it's not very useful for the project level because they're already on the project level. It really doesn't matter that much. This policy is applied to them and other projects, and also maybe there are permission issue that maybe people here are not allowed to see, like how many projects on the group level or something. So I think there's no need to show it and like to double check the permission and increase the complexity. And the same with the disabled button, the same as before, we show a popover and tell you the why is disabled. So basically that's it. Let me know what you think, and hopefully this is helpful. Thank you.